Hey there, I'm Mohammad Ayan Kaifullah, a software engineering resident at headstarter, leaving as a master's in computer science student in NYC. This is a submission for this week's headstarter project. So, the final goal of that project is to have to build a multi-model video analysis system where a user can upload a video and chat with that video, basically like what is um, given in the video, or what are the visuals, like okay, how many times a car is shown in the video, like that. So to tackle this problem, what I have done is we can first, okay, I'll just walk you through the flow first. We can upload a normal video from our systems, or the second way is we can paste a YouTube URL. So once we upload a paste a YouTube video link, it stores the video recording database, and using an npm library, I'm extracting the transcript data of that video. And if we upload the file, I'm storing that video file in the bucket, Superbase bucket, and before uploading that, I'm getting the audio locally and passing that audio file to Google speech to text for transcription. Once we have the video ready and the transcript, I'm converting into chunks and small segments of transcript and frames. And using Gemini, I'm converting the like analyzing the visual aspects of that video. So once we have the transcript and small segments, and we have the visual analysis, I'm storing the embeddings in database. So all like once we have like the analysis ready, so I'm storing these embeddings in visual transcript, or like basically multimodal format. So we this is one format of like how a single video chunk will look like. So Gemini will return the title of specific chunk, or what is there in that time frame, and some tags of related topics in that in that specific time frame. And we have the transcript segment as well, so basically the timestamp or chapters of that video. And once we process and store the video in our database, we will be redirected to this video preview page. So for YouTube, I don't need to do much, because YouTube we can utilize the preview of YouTube video basically. So here's the video, and the data, like number of segments or number of chunks made. We can see it in a like comprehensive video page. But for an uploaded video, I have utilized like Media Chrome library for displaying the video, playing the video, and like seeking based on the timestamp. And we have the main thing like the chat box on the video page. So how the chat flow is working, let me walk you through that. So if suppose a user asks like, okay, tell me at what time there is a car at screen. So this query first, as the chat box starts, I'm passing the video context and the embeddings to LLM in the start of chat, and then passing the query through Grok with multiple models. Like first I used Gemini, and now I'm relying on Llama 3. I'm then generating the embeddings, and once the embeddings are generated for that user query, performing the vector search using these Superbase functions. And once we have the confidence or the match of relevant chunk and that query, I'm replying like or reverting back with the related chunk and ID of that, and Grok is forming the final response. So right now I need to work on finishing or polishing these responses more. But we are getting okay at what time there is a visual thing at screen, like the person with mic in video. So it's returning all time segments where a person is sitting with mic, and we have the resources. So once we click these things, we can see in the video at that time. So yeah, this is basically the whole flow of the application. One thing I want to highlight here is we don't need to do these kind of transcription or like embeddings explicitly, because Gemini provides a video analysis system. But why I'm doing this is, instead of relying solely on Gemini, as a second iteration, I'm planning to do it in a more localized way, or dealing with the neural networks for the visual analysis. So that's one way of like bypassing the Gemini capabilities or relying solely on Gemini. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, thank you.